Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to hide a section here in Wix. All right. So first up, as you can see here, I'm currently using the Wix Studio. So for example, this header right here, I'm just going to click on it. And then I'm going to click on the three dots. And as you can see here, we have this hide option. So I'm going to click on it. As you can see here, it is now hidden. Okay. But don't worry, it is not deleted. You can just easily access it and show it later when necessary. But at least you get the point now. Okay. So basically, whatever you send a link of this preview for testing, that particular section will not be shown. Okay. Now to make it visible again, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on Pages and click on Layers. Okay. As you can see here, we have header. To show it, just click on this eye icon. There you go. All right. Another option, whether you're using the Wix Studio or the Wix editor, you'll be able to see a developer mode right here if you're using Wix editor. Okay. For Wix Studio, click on Code, start coding. All right. Select the section, for example, the header. Just click on it. And once done, these options will pop up, hidden or collapsed. So just go ahead and select collapsed. And once done, if you're using the Wix editor, you'll be able to see a save button right here at the top. Just save it. And once done, preview it if you want to. So I'm going to click on preview. Right here, as you can see, it is hidden. All right. That's basically how you do it. That's how you hide a section here in Wix. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.